cardio, stretching. Welcome to an episode of BlockHeads, where in this video, I'm continuing development for the application BlockWatch, or Overblock. Honestly, still haven't chosen a name yet. Hopefully I will by the end of this video. Where users will be able to create challenges based off of Overwatch's game data. In these challenges, other users will be able to throw in their entrance fee, which all get combined to winner's pot that these challengers will compete for. It's no surprise in the last video, I ran into quite a few challenges along the way. Can't seem to find exactly how to pull information about like the match itself with actually getting game data to make my application facilitate these challenges. So how do I even go about solving these challenges? Well, there's only one way to find out, so I encourage you guys to stick around and find out with me. So with that, hope you guys have some fun. So in this window, I have two little blocks here. One that shows the challenges the user is participating in. It could be their own challenge, could be challenges that they found online, or challenges that they've been invited to. So here they can either choose to enter or reject the premise or the invitation to this challenge. On this next line here are challenges that they themselves are running. So they have the ability to be able to begin or to cancel these challenges that they've created in the Create New Challenge page. So that's all that's happening here. It takes a second for things to load, but overall we have like a little functioning like challenge sorting app. It has to make these buttons work, wire up these contracts, and send this thing on its way. Oh, God, I feel like I'm so close. Every time I find like one feature, I have to add like about 5 more. That's what I'm noticing. So, what I notice now is that I need to find the number of participants that are actually participating in these challenges. So here I have the challenge name. You can see the challenge status, whether it's active or it's pending or started. You can see the challenge end condition, the winner of the challenge, the commands to either start or just delete the challenge entirely, the total number of participants that have like sent in their entrance fees, and then now I need the number of participants. So it's not ending. There are a bunch of big red cancel challenge buttons here that don't do anything. I mean, I guess I should add some sort of functionality to them to be fair, you know, and then I guess include with that, maybe I should find a way to actually return money to the users somehow in an effort to be a good person. I'll try to be a good person just this once. Just this once. Oh, there's something I don't know how to do here. In my effort to actually be able to return money, I need to know how to access like this sub account to the BlockHeads main account, and I actually have no idea how to do that. Like, how do you get something like if like someone else is signed into this application, I actually have to figure out a way to be able to hold the money and then like access some contract to be able to return the money to these users. I don't know how to do that. I just realized that. Wow, that's an oversight. The first thought I'm having is I need the full access keys to this sub account, and then I need to be able to store it somewhere. Like, where's a secure place to store a full access key so that nobody's actually like reaching into the thing and just like grabbing all the money? I don't know where to put that. I'm gonna go over to the wallet.testnet.near.org, and I'm gonna put something in the Discord chat. But where's the help button? Whoa, you can't even, what's happening? So I just posted my question in the Discord chat for Near, and it says, "Hello gang, I have a question. In an app I'm developing, I want to use an escrow account that will momentarily hold funds and then redistribute them. I'm wondering is how do I actually go about redistributing funds? I assume it has something to do with utilizing full access keys, but not sure how to best go about utilizing them in this case." I'm hoping I get some sort of feedback from this. I could really use the help on this one because I'm a little bit stuck. What I'm going to do is create this page for users to be able to see how many tokens they owe and then be able to pay off what they owe per entrance fees or per prize winnings. So essentially it's going to be like the winnings minus their entrance fee. So anyway, that's what I'm doing right now. So I'm just using some cards from React Bootstrap, and I'm going to be plugging through. Call it users tokens. We're going to be containing all this within, well, a container. I'm going to call container, and this card will be nested inside of its own little row. Oh no! I got this new keyboard, so it's kind of like confusing. It's still taking a little bit of time to get used to. There we go. So of course we can call upon our handy dandy class.
Our handy dandy notebook.
Cool. There we go. Let's go back to our token manager and see if there's anything. Method not found. Which method wasn't found? Retrieve token amount. This should be a view method. Oh, that's what I thought. Okay, why do you not work? Okay, fix the error. And also, I'm not entirely sure what's happening in this like game feed I have on my page. I see, is this like caveman throwing snowballs at each other? Yeah, maybe not cavemen, but like people in like loincloths with snowballs in a very sunny and open field for some reason. I love the world we live in right now. It's fantastic. Hi. So, good news and bad news. Aaron from VitalPoint.Ai gave me this great link to his summary on his website, VitalPoint.Ai, that essentially like helps users understand how to use the near keys. And honestly, like it really helped me get a better idea of how to get full control over my own accounts, the dev accounts I get created whenever I use Create Near App, and actually fully understand how to organize, sort, and utilize near access keys, as well as the Mike Purvis's video you see linked here was also very helpful. So now my original idea of like using the contract to actually be the escrow account to actually be able to send like tokens between the users, between the winners, is now possible again. This goes over a good way of how to actually securely be able to organize and sort your access keys, your private key, and be able to actually do this functionality without risking security to the app. And that is exactly what I wanted. So now I'm in this process of actually being able to rewrite the entire like contract, because this is my new contract, trying to make it like nice and slim. This is my old one up here, right here, and it got beefy and it got confusing and it got like messy, so utterly messy. I'm confused in my own application. I am taking the functions that are necessary from here, moving into a whole new file, going to reorganize some of the front end of the application, get rid of that like watch token page, because I don't really need that anymore. And I'm going to be able to reformat this entire thing to work off my original idea now that I actually know how to use and get control of these full access keys. This has been a process, but learning is half the fun. So everyone, if you see right here, this is actually where in the app.js file, this is actually where the challenge magic kind of happens, like where things get updated, where you can like check scores, check points, and this is actually what's going to tell the contract to initiate the exchange of funds that happens when a player actually wins the challenge. So essentially what's happening is that this collects all of the player info, as well as like all the challenge info of all the active challenges that the current person who signed in is participating in, whether they own it or whether they're just like playing in it. So it's going to specifically look at those challenges, try to keep the list short. And then after that, essentially, it's going to check every player that's involved in each of these challenges and checks their current score or current standing in that challenge. And I'm going to see if I can display that onto the front page as well. After that, it says, okay, if one of these players manages to complete the challenge by the time this is updating, I'm going to redistribute the money to that player. Or if multiple players actually meet the challenge requirements at the same time, at least for now, it's going to just like equally distribute the funds. But for now, I think having like it distribute to multiple players is like kind of like an easy way to get something going for this application. Essentially, this is like probably the most important feature of the application, or at least the one that was giving me the biggest headache. This is the one that Aaron from VitalPoint.Ai saved me from with his cool documentation on near access keys. So again, I encourage you guys to go check it out because it's really useful, really good information. And again, also the videos from Mike Purvis have been incredible. So here in this like use contract full access key function that I've created, essentially what's happening is that it's actually getting and sorting the access keys from like my environment variables. I'm storing my keys in environment variable to keep them private, so that like users can't just open up their like dev account or like their developer tools and like yank the private keys. Okay everyone, so it's been a little bit grindy with the code for the past couple of days, but making this like kind of like giant like contract you see before you here. So actually my goal was to kind of like redo the contract from my first plan because it kind of got messy and cluttered. But it turned out to actually be, I think, longer than even my original contract, which I kind of find interesting. But I got through kind of like this part, and I also reformatted a lot of the front end, so I'm going to show you here. So here we have our main page. So again, this is obviously where like the Twitch stream will appear for any random match that's currently going on. Down here is like where you can see like the kind of stats of this match that's going on here. Right now, again, we don't have any matches running, so it's just like a default stream. And down here is going to be like past winners of past challenges. Of course, we have our challenge manager here and the challenge form that I showed you guys earlier. I pushed this up to GitHub, and I'm going to actually deploy it on Netlify so that it can become live and we can actually get to testing this with actual Overwatch games. Hey guys, I'm here with Chad, our editor. Say hi, Chad.
Hey guys, how's it going?
We got the Overblock app all dialed in, and we're making our very first test today. So with that, I'm going to head over to the application and get the challenge set up, get the game running, and run through some matches to see who can win some tokens.
I want to win tokens. Dorian, do you drink tea?
I do drink tea.
You also drink copious amounts of coffee too, right?
Not as much as I used to. I actually stopped drinking coffee last week.
What? Why did you run out? And you're like, I'll just use the teas that I have instead.
That's exactly what happened, actually.
Yeah.
Okay, so now we are here at the face of Blockwatch, and I'm going to create a new challenge, sign in as BlockHeads. I'll call it BlockHeads Kickoff, and I'll classify this challenge type as eliminations with 5 eliminations to win. Neither Chad or I are that good, so I feel like this will take a minute to get to.
Yeah, I'm trash.
Let's go to Challenge Manager, and there's our challenge. Here's the challenge, manager section to actually begin the challenge. So if Chad, on your end, if you go and hit enter.
Alrighty.
So hit enter too. So buttons go dark. So I see 2 participants. I can see you're added 6 near tokens to the challenge pot, and I'm gonna hit begin challenge. Okay guys, I am starting to search for quick game match, so I'm gonna hit ready.
Are you in?
I'm in. You're the aimbot dude?
Yeah. So is the app gonna know the first person that gets to 5 kills, or?
It should, yeah. Okay. It's gonna know. So the way it works is that it reloads every, I think, 5 minutes.
Okay.
And it's going to auto check it as long as we have the app open.
Okay, perfect.
As long as one of us has the app open.
I have it open. Oh my goodness! Shauna 340? That person's insane. Oh no, he stunned me! Dude, they're coming back. We're at 99% and they're creeping. They're at 38% now.
Oh, he pulled you in. I would run back. Your whole team's dead. Run back. Run back to the beginning.
No! Tootin' scootin'. Your cotton-headed ninny muggins. Dude,
Sniper.
he just sniped me.
Wow, they're gonna win.
No!
Run up. Go. 4 kills. Oh, shit. Your team.
Oh! Are we gonna get it? We're gonna capture it!
Oh, we got it. Oh,
We
nice.
got it!
Yeah.
That was crazy! Wow.
Ooh.
Dude, we had a monkey on our team?
Okay, guys, we wrapped up our Overwatch match. Chad is the winner of the game, so congratulations, Chad.
Thank you so much, Dorian, but I honestly cannot take full credit for it. One of my best friends, Jordan, he is an avid Overwatch player, and he showed me a lot of moves, like how to use my special, how to reload, how to heal, so I gotta kind of attribute my win to that, but I'll still take the victory.
You know what? You use what you got, and that's pretty awesome.
Yeah.
It cost me 3 it cost me 6 near tokens, but that's okay.
Dude, I
I'm
know.
okay with
When
that.
I heard when there were 6 near tokens on the line, I'm like, I'm gonna win this.
Well, here are the supposed results of the match. There's the match. There's Chad's name. Again, congratulations. And guys, if you guys want to check out the GitHub for this project, the link is in the description below. If you guys have any improvements that you want to mention to us or let us know about, let us in the comments below. Like and subscribe. And thank you guys. I hope you guys had a lot of fun. I'll catch you guys later.
Peace.